Hello boys and girls, this is Dr. Pillow back again, and they call me G. Paul, and I'm a speech language pathologist, audiologist, teacher of the deaf and hard of hearing, and a reading specialist. And I have with me today my webmaster, Willie May. Willie May is our dog. Willie May is our webmaster, and he's going to be here with us today to help us get through our filming. And last time we met, we see, who did we have last time? Was it Junebug? No, Katie Kitty. It was Katie Kitty. And today's lesson's going to be Laura Lizard, and Laura Lizard's sound is oh. And this is brought to you by Classroom Phonology, Therapy Works, and here's our author's name right here. And we'll get busy here in talking about the oh sound, Laura Lizard sound. Notice when I say oh, I take my tongue, the tip of my tongue, and put it right behind my teeth. Oh, and I use my speech motor as well. And sometimes this is a hard sound to make for some people. So that's why we're talking about it today. Laura Lizard, let's hear her story. There once was a lizard named Laura. A lively, laughing lizard, and when other lizards slithered, Laura Lizard leaped. Here's her picture. Long, slow slithers that tickled lizard bellies, but Laura Lizard leaped. Slow, lazy slithers that whittle, waddle, wiggle, but Laura Lizard leaped. A leaping lizard. When large and little lizards slithered, they slided, glided, and delighted to make their way along. But guess what? Laura Lizard leaped. Where other lizards slithered in long lines to dine, Laura Lizard leaped. When days were long and lazy, and none had ever been hotter, limp lizards looked for water, cool, clear water. But Laura Lizard leaped. To slither, to water, to hours, long, slow hours. But Laura Lizard leaped. She got there faster. The end. All right, now Laura Lizard's song doesn't have music, so we use my guitar on the back, and I'm going to use it as a percussion instrument today and not a stringed instrument. Let's sing Laura's song. Once there was a lizard, a lovely little lizard. When other lizards slithered, Laura Lizard leaped. Long, lazy slithers that tickled lizard bellies. When other lizards slithered, Laura Lizard leaped. Once there was a lizard, a lovely little lizard. When other lizards slithered, Laura Lizard leaped. Long, lazy slithers that tickled lizard bellies. When other lizards slithered, Laura Lizard leaped. That's Laura Lizard's song. And Laura Lizard's story we finished too. And Laura Lizard's sound is oh. Let's see if we can make some words with her sound. Silly words and real words too. How about this one? Eep. What happens if you use the sound eep and you put Laura Lizard's sound at the beginning? Let's try it. Oh, eep. Leap. Leap means jump, and that's what's in That word was used a lot in Laura Lizard's story and song, leap. Let's see, how about this one? See if you can guess this word. I'm going to say izzard and put "ol" at the beginning. You get what? Sure, it's right. Lizard. Lizard. If I said aura, and you'd say, if you add "ol" to aura, it'd be, at the beginning, you have Laura. Now, how about this one? How about if I said ba and add Laura Lizard sound at the end, be ball, ball. That'd be Laura Lizard sound at the end. How about this one? If we had the sound ba, and then say oh, and then oon, it's balloon, and Laura Lizard sounds it right in the middle of balloon. Let's sound it out. B, oo, oo, balloon. And how about this one? This is a kind of a complicated one because it's a blend. But what color is my shirt? B, oo, oo, blue. So blues blends together instead of going blue. It's like blue, blue. So it's faster when it's a blend. So that's Laura Lizard's sound, the old sound. And it's really been fun to be with you today. And Willie Mae and I are happy to have been with you. And I hope you've had fun. And we'll be back next time and we'll learn about, we've already had Michigan Mouse, so we'll probably learn about Nanny Nanny Goat and the sound. All right. Have a wonderful day. Love you. Bye-bye.